Hi dolls, I'm gonna do something fun today. I'm doing an unboxing of free baby stuff. I got this from Babylist. It's like one of the best boxes of free samples with a registry, and I finally got one. My first time ever getting one. It's so hard to get these. So let's first do a little bump check. And I have a surprise. This dress is so cute. Here's the bumpy bump. And look at the back of the dress. It's a cute little bow. I thought that was just a cute little touch for this dress. But let's start with the unboxing. So I registered with Babylist. That's how I got the box. You have to do some stuff. I actually registered to get this with my last baby, but the box was sold out. So I kind of just like used that last old registry to get this box. But I still have the account. I need a tool if I can get it open. It's one of the best boxes I heard of, like free baby stuff. I'm like, let me just do an unboxing. Here we go. Ooh. Here we go. There we go. So it says, when you open it, it says, "Hello, baby. We're excited to part with your growing family, be a part of your growing family, and like to just talk about them on, connect with them on social media." So let's see, the first thing they have in it is some Huggies diapers. I'm actually a Pampers mom, so I'm probably not gonna buy Huggies, but I'll use these. Put them in the diaper bag, you know. A bunch of cards, coupons. So a coupon for like some onesies. A coupon for tiny beans. I don't really know what that is. A coupon to make 10 free birth announcements. It's really cute. A coupon for a free swaddle. A coupon for Mom Cozy. A free product from Wellmans. Okay, a free trial for Uber One, 3 months. A free Boppy. I guess this is for formula. Okay, so now we're done with all the coupons. Got a cute little onesie. It has suns and rainbows on it. That's so cute. A cute little, another onesie. And it has porcupines on it. It's pretty cute. Some lanolin nipple cream. Some Ubba baby wipes. I always need wipes. Oh, I have a bottle. I got Dr. Brown's bottle. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use the Tummy Tippy glass bottles, but you know, I might try it. Some back stuff. Some like butt paste, triple paste. You always need that with little babies. I'll probably stick that in the diaper bag. Some Oliver ointment by Tubby Todd. I don't really know the brand, but I always could use it. Ooh, another bottle. This one's a fill-in Advent bottle. Again, like I'm probably going to use the Tommy Tippy glass bottles. I like to use glass bottles. But you never know. Like if the baby rejects it, I still have like 2 other bottles that I could use. Some water wipes. Honest Company wipes. Ooh. Some Palmer's cream. Not too much for mommy. Some breast pads. I'm not gonna need those. I'm not breastfeeding. Ooh. Some cute diapers. Kudos. I never even heard of that brand, but I'm a Pampers mom. But these are cute. I love the design. They're adorable. Oh, I love these pasties. We're actually gonna use these pacifiers. The bibs. So that's actually nice. I love this pacifier brand, Bibs. So that's what I use for all my babies. Well, I've been using and I love them. I actually have another one left over from my other son. He never used it, so I'm going to sterilize and use it. Breast milk bags. And I guess if the baby rejects the bibs, we can always try this one. I'm not even going to try to say that name, but a pacifier. A burp cloth. You never can have enough burp cloths. Open it up. You get a coupon in there. And burp the baby. And the last thing is this cute little bib. So I could say like this is actually a really nice box. Like you get a lot of good samples. I'm just getting so excited. My baby's going to be here in a few weeks. So I can't wait to get more stuff. And free stuff is always fun. I do want to do a haul when I start getting more things. Like, I'm on my 5th baby, so I feel like I'm being so chill about everything. But yeah. Gotta start getting stuff together because my baby will be here before we know it. And I'm so excited. So yeah, if you can, try to get this box of all this free stuff. It's really worth it. I only need to pay $10 for shipping. And I got all this stuff, and I know it's way more than $10 worth. Those pacifiers alone are like $15 each, so it's a good deal. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys are pregnant, if what boxes you have gotten that I should try to get for the baby, because you know I love free stuff. And that's all, expecting moms. Bye.